Good day to all. We are in the midst of a massive lockdown as implemented and imposed by the government for the containment and prevention of spread of the coronavirus. We are all gripped with fear and panic. As an obstetrician, I can very well understand the fear and the various questions that are crossing the minds of women who are currently pregnant. From the questions that have been asked to us by the pregnant women in the past few weeks, I would like to discuss the limited knowledge that we have gained in the past few weeks or months, I should say, from across the world, from people who have had coronavirus and who have undergone delivery and labor process, as to what possible are the effects of coronavirus on pregnancy. To start off with, we should all understand that the knowledge about this new coronavirus is in the evolving stage. So, as I said, only a few number of pregnant women have been infected by this virus. So, we have limited knowledge and evidence regarding that. So, what are the effects of the new coronavirus on a lady just because she is pregnant? What we find is, if the pregnant lady is otherwise has no issues, she's perfectly healthy, then she is expected to just go through mild or moderate flu-like symptoms as in any other non-pregnant healthy person. As we all know that coronavirus causes serious complications, mainly affection of the lung, pneumonia requiring hospitalization and ICU admission, is more commonly seen in elderly people, people who have some medical issues that compromises on their immunity status, or who have underlying serious cardiac or lung issues. So, only if a pregnant woman has any one of these issues, a medical condition that suppresses her immunity status, or if she has a serious heart or lung disease, she is expected to experience a severe form of coronavirus. Otherwise, what we normally expect is just a mild to moderate flu-like symptoms. Nevertheless, having said so, we are still placing the pregnant woman in the vulnerable group. Why is it so? Because of the body changes and certain immunological changes that happens because of pregnancy in the body, we have found that in the past certain viruses have caused serious complications in a woman just because of her pregnancy status. So having this in mind, we ask the pregnant women to be extra cautious and take extra precautions to protect yourself from exposure to the coronavirus. Now, if you happen to go through a scenario where you're pregnant and you have been unfortunately tested positive for the coronavirus, the fear is, will it affect my baby, the unborn? From the few women who have gone through the pregnancy and labor process, delivery and labor process, being tested positive for coronavirus, there is a possibility that there can be a direct transmission from the mother to the baby in utero. But evidences as of now do not say so. The amniotic fluid, the vaginal secretion and the breast milk secretion of women who have been tested positive for coronavirus have screened to be negative. And all the babies delivered of these mothers have been found to be healthy babies. Some babies have tested positive for coronavirus 30 hours after the delivery. Whether this was from the mother, they had obtained this virus from the mother, or through any other sources is yet to be identified. So, direct transmission in utero to the mother and the baby cannot be ruled out, but as of now there is no strong evidence to suggest so. So, how does one protect oneself from exposing to coronavirus? Simply follow the rules that have been placed by the government. The two golden standard rule: social distancing and washing your hands regularly as frequent as possible. Even in the house, if you or any one of your family members sneeze or cough, use a tissue to cover your face, dispose the tissue and immediately wash your hands. Stay inside the house as much as possible. Step out of the house only if it is really essential. Even if you have to go to any shop, choose a time, go to a shop that has very few people around and maintain social distancing. And the last question is the practical confusion. How am I supposed to go about with my antenatal and postnatal consultations as already scheduled? I would suggest you get in touch telephonically with your obstetrician or with your obstetric team. Tell them into how many weeks pregnancy you are and is there any other complications that is running through you right now. So accordingly, they will tell that whether you could defer your appointments, your lab tests or your scan appointments that has been scheduled, or they may ask you to come ahead for the consultation, for the lab test or for the scan. If they ask you to come over, please do, because the pregnancy checkups, the regular pregnancy follow-ups, the lab tests and the prescribed scans are very important for a healthy pregnancy and delivery. So having said all this, let us all stay at home and stay safe.